Cudasata too. How are you? Mary Ellen here. And I just wanted to let you know, if you missed out yesterday, or actually Sunday, sorry, on Inspiration and Embolic at the Irish Cultural Centre with me, because we were sold out. Don't worry, this is your sign that it's okay, because I've actually got a few places left for tomorrow for Manotra meditation. Manotra meditation is a place where Irish mythology meets meditation. And you might have heard of mantra meditation, or have called it TM meditation, or transcendental, or Vedic. It's become quite famous from David Lynch and all the work he did with the David Lynch Foundation. May he rest in peace. And so I teach a Celtic Vedic meditation. I use mantras, those soothing ancient sounds, as Gaeilge in the Irish language. So the good news is there is a few places left. The link is in the bio. Book now and you won't miss out. Grá mór, slán go bhfuilín. See you soon.